Have you ever made a chart in Excel only to realize it's cluttered with tiny pieces that barely show up? Let's fix that in Power Query by combining all small products into a single other category. It's simple and very effective. Let's go step by step. We are going to take all small sales and combine them into a single row labeled Other. Load the source table into Power Query and think in terms of two parts: products we keep as is and products we combine into Other. We can use Table.SelectRows function. The first condition is each price is greater than or equals 10. Only big products remain unchanged. This will appear as normal slices in the pie chart. Now we want all products with prices less than 10. Let's modify the formula. Only small products. These are candidates to merge into Other. But how can we achieve this? Normally, Table.Group function groups by a column, but we want all rows combined into a single row. We will use the figure brackets as the grouping key. This tells Power Query don't group by any column, treat all rows as one group. Basically, group by nothing. In the third argument, we will create a list of instructions for each column in a new row. Let's start with the product. Open the figure brackets twice and type product each other. Product is the name of the column in the new row. Each other. Ignore the original product name, just write other in the new row. You are saying no matter what products are here, label them all as other. So let's continue. Price, and we will type each list sum price in square brackets to take all the prices from the rows being combined and add them up. You are saying add up all the small prices, so the new other row shows the total. After Table.Group with this instruction, you will get one row with other category summarized. Now we need the first part of our table. Copy the select rows part and change it to greater than or equals 10. We'll now merge it with the other row that were created in the previous step. The ampersand symbol concatenates two tables vertically. And now we have one clean table with big products intact and one other row summing all small sales. This table is perfect for a clean chart. Hardcoding a threshold like 10 works for a quick demo, but in real-life scenarios it's risky and inflexible. Use parameters instead. Thanks for watching, see ya!